Kaya na tayo guys, luto na yung ating tinolang isda. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan ang ating tinolang isda. Bye guys.
I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
Sarap.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on,
Kain.
I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love,
Sinasabi ko guys na bahog-bahog sa sabaw.
sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
Kain.
with you.
Bye-bye. Pakisyan na lang ako.